This project started actually very simply because we recognized the need and less fortunate individuals. We started with just one or two of us taking portable eye equipment, going to the void decks, visiting their homes and understanding a little bit more about their eye condition, diagnosing them as well as educating them about their condition and that they actually needed further care.
Marcus has always had a passion for helping people. He's always looking to provide volunteer services, going to look for needy patients in either one-room flat areas or nursing homes and to bring our eye care to them.
We looked at a lot of these individuals who are seen at screening programs which are already existing. Only about 30% of them actually turn up for their hospital appointments. So if we go to the community centres and we tell them, look, you have cataracts or glaucoma and you really need some surgery, and then we leave and we don't follow up, only 30% of them actually turn up. In our program, we actually tracked all our patients and our individuals, and that number went up to about 75%. So it's quite a big difference. We got more and more doctors, nurses, optometrists to come on board, and so it's grown to what it is today, which is basically we do on average about 4 projects a year. We target very low income or underprivileged elderly who live alone, and in these communities we actually, to date, we've examined up to about 3,000 patients all around Singapore.
Through the efforts of the MEC, these individuals have benefited from this restoration of their sight. They've been able to re-assimilate into society, gain greater independence, and some of them have even found new jobs.
I think the main inspiration for giving back actually came from the patients or the individuals themselves. If we sit down and, even though we're in a busy clinic, as we sit down and speak to our patients a little bit more and understand their stories and their backgrounds, we realize that very quickly that there are actually a lot of patients and a lot of individuals in Singapore who actually need just a little bit more help.
I think that Marcus has been very passionate about his cause. He's definitely hoping to do more, and I'm sure the rest of the eye community would continue to support all his efforts.
Volunteers as well as people who come forward. In fact, it's almost as though people are coming forward more than looking for causes or purposes. So I think everybody has that sort of giving culture. They're just looking for some avenue which they are passionate about and that they can relate to themselves, or sometimes even abroad. So I'm very optimistic about the culture in Singapore, yeah.